will you do if you become mayor of Triprot?
I have this diary.
Diorama.
Now this is a diarrhea. The world's #1 fun park, Quitlandia.
At our muggle once, which was stole by this child. Make everyone who votes for me a billionaire.
Do you really think these so-called muggle-wumps can make Triprot the fun capital of the world? What?
Give it here.
These good folks know I live and breathe Triprot.
Now?
He's eating the cake!
He must really love Triprot. She ain't giving back them muggle whoops, cause she don't give a care about you people.
That doesn't even make sense.
You don't make sense. Now I don't need to tell you.
Now what's happening?
It's not our fault.